Are you struggling to connect your MLAB MongoDB database to RoboMongo? You're not alone. Many users find this process confusing, especially when MLAB only provides string URIs for connections. Today, we're going to simplify that for you. I totally get it. Switching from a user-friendly tool like MongoChef to RoboMongo can feel like a leap into the unknown. It's frustrating when you know how to do something one way, and suddenly, it feels like you're starting from scratch. So let's dive into the specific question at hand. How can you connect your MLAB MongoDB database to RoboMongo when MLAB only provides string URIs? This is a common challenge, and we're here to tackle it together. To understand the issue, we need to recognize that RoboMongo typically prefers IP addresses and ports for connections, which can make using a string URI feel tricky. But don't worry, we can work around this. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to connect your database, but also have a handy tip that will make future connections a breeze. To connect an MLAB MongoDB database to RoboMongo, the user first needs to extract the connection string from MLAB. This string contains all the necessary information to connect to the database. Next, the user should modify the connection string to fit the format that RoboMongo requires. This involves replacing the username, password, and database name with the appropriate values. Now the user can open RoboMongo and create a new connection. They should select the option to connect using a URI and paste the modified connection string into the designated field. Finally, the user should test the connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. If the connection is successful, they will be able to access their MLAB database through RoboMongo. Fun fact, did you know that MongoDB was originally developed for the cloud? It's designed to handle large amounts of data efficiently, which is why it's so popular today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach to connect your MLAB MongoDB database to RoboMongo is to extract the hostname and port from the MongoDB connection string URI. For instance, if your connection string looks like this, MongoDB/r1.example.net 27017, r2.example.net 27017 testdb, you can use r1.example.net or r2.example.net as the host name, 2717 as the port, and testdb as the database name. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your connection details handy. This will save you time and frustration when you need to reconnect or set up a new database. And there you have it. You should now be able to connect your MLAB MongoDB database to RoboMongo with ease. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy coding!